Hi guys! Today we are not in the kitchen. We are outside enjoying what cooking is really about. Because at Easy Cooking, I believe food is more than what ends up on your plate. It's about the people, the conversation, the laughter, the memories, and the love shared in every meal. You don't have to be a professional chef to create something meaningful. Sometimes the most beautiful recipes are simply the moments we share together. We'll see you next week back in the kitchen. Until then, don't forget to like and subscribe and be a part of the Easy Cooking family.